Go all in, unpacking the phrase for English learners. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might hear in movies, songs, and even during intense board game sessions: go all in. What does it mean to go all in? Where does this phrase come from? And how can you use it in everyday conversation? Grab your notebooks, because we're about to explore this exciting expression together. Go all in originates from the world of poker. In this card game, a player goes all in when they bet all of their chips on a single hand. It's a do-or-die move, a total commitment where the player is either going to win big or lose everything. This literal action is packed with tension and drama, which is why it's often featured in high-stakes movie scenes. Beyond the green felt of the poker table, go all in has taken on a figurative meaning in everyday language. When someone says they're going all in, they're making a complete commitment to an endeavor or cause. It implies putting all available resources, effort, and focus into an action or decision. Example scenarios. Starting a business. I've decided to quit my job and go all in on my startup. Relationships. We've been dating for a while, and we're ready to go all in and move in together. Personal goals. This year, I'm going all in on my health and fitness journey. Using the phrase, go all in, can convey various nuances depending on the context. It can suggest bravery and determination, but it can also imply risk-taking and potential recklessness. It's important to consider the situation when using this phrase, as the stakes can be high, both literally and metaphorically. Let's put our knowledge into practice. Imagine different scenarios where you might go all in. How would you describe your commitment to learning English using this phrase? Practice forming sentences that reflect the seriousness and full dedication you're putting into your endeavors. We hope this video has helped you understand the ins and outs of the phrase, go all in. It's a powerful expression that can add flavor to your conversations, especially when talking about your passions and big life decisions. Remember, whether you're at the poker table or just facing life's challenges, sometimes going all in is the bold move that leads to the greatest rewards. Until our next video, keep practicing and go all in on your English learning journey.